Let me give you a quick tour of what's in the background on the pegboard using the DJI Gimbal. Double press on this button to change from portrait mode to landscape, and use this dial to turn and pan and tilt. Quickly recenter. Simply double click this trigger and it will automatically recenter. Double click, recenters. Super stable, and it will do a follow as it panning and tilting, but you can enter the sports mode by press it once and hold it like this, and it will enter the sports mode. It will be even more responsive. There is a USB Type-C charging port on the right-hand side, and you can also optionally charge the phone using that USB-A output. Start recording, the mode, zoom in and out, and a trigger. It's pretty simple. Press and hold to turn it off. And it's magnetically connected. So if you want to just take your phone off quickly, yeah, that was really easy to do. Let's give you a quick tour. On the left side, these are two empty Mac Pro cases mounted on casters. And this is a metal one. I have no idea what the manufacturer is. It's a few years old. Okay, in the center, the RGB IC wall light from Govi. It's called Govi Glide. Starting from the left, the DeWALT reciprocating saw impact driver mounted on this wall control metal pegboard made in USA. These pegs are special made with proprietary design, such as this. You can clearly see these hooks will stay in place and it will not fall out easily. Okay, impact driver, reciprocating saw, safety glasses, DeWALT tape measure, a couple of magnetic clips, Milwaukee utility knife, name picks, pliers. Yeah, this set is expensive, but they paid for it themselves after a job. You know, I did my own bathroom plumbing repairs. A Husky screwdriver. This is a really special marked lock holder, so I can, store my markers here easily, and they are magnetic connected to the pegboard. Security camera from Eufy, also magnetically connected to the pegboard. Scissors, pretty standard. A couple battery bands from Basis. This is a 65 watts with the power delivery. Be able to charge my MacBook Pro. More battery bands and a Fantic precision screwdriver set for small electronics repair. Leatherman multi-tools. This is a Gerber MP600. 24-inch screen. It's just a computer monitor, 1080p. I have the VESA mounted DIY plate in the back and the anchor charger in the back. I believe that's a 6-port USB charger providing power to the Chromecast, and the screen light from Basis. A shelf above, and this thing is USB-C powered, 5 watts power consumption. More security camera from Eufy. Yeah, that's a DIY holder for my headphones. That's a Q30 from Soundcore. Couple of permanent markers from Milwaukee, Inksole. Anchor earbuds. Xbox, They're just simply sitting on top of a peg, you know, just a little peg. It's not really permanently connected by any kind of glue or anything else. Electric screwdriver, Logitech K380 keyboard with 3 connections, quick connections. iPad Pro 11-inch, 100 watts USB Type-C cable. More headphones. These are Xbox wireless headset Q20 Plus. Q30, more headphones, gaming headset. This is magnetic laser level that I actually still use in this office to do some quick leveling work. This is a very handy little device powered by 2 AA batteries. Now, that's the power cord that goes into the wall control and the floating desk. The cable management, I mean, yeah, a power strip under there. All right, I guess that's it. Thank you very much for watching.